Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Coder's Journey. So in this video we are going to learn how to implement Facebook login without Firebase. Okay, so we will follow the official documentation step by step. Okay, so you need to go to this package in pubdev. Let's just go to the full documentation. So we are going to implement this Android. So let's go to Android. Let's go to this. So first thing, you need to have a Facebook account and you must register that Facebook account as a developer account. So if you have a Facebook account and suppose you're not able to see the same interface as me right now, so you will be able to see a register button here. So you need to register yourself or your Facebook account as a developer account. Okay, after you register it successfully, so it's very easy, you will be able to do it. Then you will be able to see the same interface as me. So the next step is you need to create a new app. So let's create a new app. So let's just name it at the Coder's Journey. Okay, so this is my mail. Let's click on next. Use case, we need to authenticate and request data from users with the Facebook login. Click on next. I don't want to connect a business profile yet, so just click on next and go to dashboard. So you must enter your password. No thanks. Okay, so we have created our app. Now we need to add some information in this, like our package name and hash key. So we will go to this customize adding a Facebook login button. And yeah, make sure you click on this add in the permission. Okay, so then we can go to quick start for Android. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, so we need to add our package name. So let's get our package name from Android. Then we go to app. Inside app we go to build.gradle. Okay, so I have this application ID and we can just copy our package name from here. Just paste it, and similarly for here. Cool. Click on next. Let it just save, might take 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, and then click on next. Now the important step is you need to enter your key hashes. Okay, so we have already given this command. So first let me tell you how to add keystore in your project. So I've already already created my keystore. If you don't know how to create a keystore, I will share a link of my another video. In this I have thoroughly explained how to add and generate keystore in your Flutter project. Okay, so I have already added this keystore. So what I done, let me explain you. So let me revert back it. Okay, so what I done is I created a keystore folder from there. Then inside this I added my keystore. Okay, so now I have added my keystore. I will go to the Android, then app, then src, then build.gradle. Okay, so I need to sign my app with this keystore. For signing my app with this keystore, I need to add this information, signing information. I have already added in my build.gradle. So I will also share this in my video description, so you will be easily able to copy it. Then the next step is you need to sign this. Suppose you are running your app in a debug. So we have added this debug, and inside this debug we have entered our keystore informations. So this debug will be use our this keystore information, and similar for release we have done this as well. Okay, then okay, we need to create a key hash. Okay, let's just copy paste it. So let's just paste it. So this is your path. Copy this. We need to paste the path of our key store, and make sure you remove this and slash here. Okay, make sure. Then I need to add my key alias. Okay, I add this, then just enter it, and here I got this my key hash. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so you might not see the submit button or save button here. Might be some UI issue of Facebook. So let's go to inspect, and here I see the save button. In case you might not still not able to see it, just expand it, you will be able to see it. Okay, just save it and continue. Just remove inspect. Okay, next. Now let's go step by step. So first step, it says we need to create string.xml file. Okay, let's create it. So we need to create this inside the value folder. So let's go to the src main arrays and values. So let's create strings.xml file. Okay, cool. String.xml file is ready. So let me I have the content of this string.xml file with me. I will also share it with you in the description. So let's just copy paste it. Now it says we need to add app ID. Let's just follow the documentation step by step. Okay, so I have pasted it in the string.xml. Now we need to change this app ID and client token. Okay, so from settings we will go to the basic. From there, here is your app ID. Let's change it. And for token, we need to go to the advanced. And here, client token. Okay, we are done with this. Let's go back. Or we can go to this previous as well. You can follow from here. They have both the same thing. So we need to add this meta description. In the string.xml file. Okay, let's add this in the string.xml manifest file here. So this address string slash Facebook app ID will be picked from the string.xml file. Okay, so let's copy this fifth step and let's just paste it below the main activity. So here you will see this app name. So we don't have a variable with the name with app name in the string.xml. We can create it as well. So let's just for right now, let's just copy our label and paste it here. Okay, so we have done with this, and let's just ask for internet permission. We have asked for internet permission. This is optional because we are not adding ad. Okay, so this information we have already added in this Android one. Okay, so it will visible here You can just save, go to the next step. We have already done with this, we have already added this, we have already done with this, right? Maybe we let's add this query as well. Okay, we have added this query as well. Cool. Now we will go back, and here we have this example here. Let's just copy it, go to our main.dart. Inside lib we have main.dart. Let's copy paste it, add the Facebook auth plugin. Okay, nice, we have added it. So I have connected my device, I have already connected my device with me. So let me run it and check if it is working fine or not. If there is any bug, we will solve it together. Let's see it. Let it launch. Let's remove it. Okay, so we need to, okay, minimum SGK 21. Okay, so let's go to the build.gradle file. Let's go to build.gradle file, and here we have minimum SGK. Let's keep it 21. Let's again rerun our app. And if you are able to successfully log in, I mean the Facebook account you have used for adding or creating your app here, you will be only able to log in with this account only. You might not be able to do a Facebook login with other account. You can only do this with your developer account which you have submitted on the Facebook as a developer. If you want to log in with other accounts, there are some additional steps. You need to add privacy policy, you need to submit your app for reviews. Okay, so it ran, so let's check. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let's see it is working or not. We'll click on login. So for the first time if you are running it, you will encounter this. And yeah, and I am using my Facebook account, the same account I have used as a developer account. Otherwise it will throw me an error. So continue and continue, and here I got this information of my Facebook. Okay, so if you encounter any problem, you can message me on YouTube video. I will definitely help you. So this is how you will be able to implement Google login. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you guys.